morning, YouTube fam. I am out here in Guanacaste at Rafa's Adventure Tours, and I'm tackling an adventure out here solo that we did not get to document last time because I had a little bit of a technical problem. I lost a hard drive, but we were out here checking out La Leona for Kingston's birthday, and unfortunately I lost all the data. That drive is currently still with me, and it's gonna cost about $500 to recover, but so instead of recovering it, I thought I was gonna take a little bit of time off in this transition from the school and take myself on a little bit of a journey, just a solo mission. So here I am at Don Rafa's Adventure Tours, and we're gonna do La Leona Waterfall, which is an amazing waterfall. It's a canyon hike. It requires you to actually get in the water at many points, and this is gonna be an epic day. So it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and we're about to get started on the tour, and let's go have a good time. It's an adventure mobile. Let's do this. Haha. ¿Nadie aquí?
Sí.
1, 2, 3. ¡Qué frío! Cosa de la abuela. So we got about a 2-kilometer hike to La Leona and a 2-kilometer hike back. So we're just kind of checking out some of these areas as we walk along this beautiful sendero. Costa Don Rafa. Muchas cosas. Qué lindo. Rico. Ay, qué rico, so good.
Ok, esto se llama curiol, este polvito. Con esto los indios pintaban las ollas y las vasijas y también se pintaban las llaves.
pionosa. Polvo de piedra. Cosa la ducha. Alright, so this is the point when we are going to switch to GoPro mode. This is when we gotta get wet. When the fun begins. ¿Está lista? Ducha. La Leona, la ducha. Definitely chilly out here. Gotta stay in the sun. Gotta recharge the batteria. Woo! Hey, waiting over here. It's very cold. My body temperature's getting down. I gotta do this. Woo! swim park attraction now. High season is crazy. More temperature dropping right now. Starting to get some in shape. What the heck was temperature? Alright, just finishing this fantastic hike to La Leona, Catarata La Leona. It's an amazing, amazing day. Got out here and hit the trail early, and one little word of caution, it is quite cold. The farther you get into the canyon, the colder it's gonna get. And because there's so many tourists right now in high season, there's a lot of waiting going on. So as you're waiting for people to traverse through different areas, you might get a little bit cold. So just be mindful of that. I think it's necessary to bring a wetsuit, but just plan accordingly. It's likely closer to the end of the day, after lunchtime, you're gonna probably have a little bit warmer temperatures, but still beautiful. It's a spectacle. Something definitely a must-see here in Costa, Costa Rica. Muchísimas gracias a Johan, Buenaventura, La Leona. Lindo. Adios, Don Rafa. Another great adventure. Until next time. Thanks again for watching this episode of the Free Range Squad. Until our next adventure, puravida.